Okay, I took some items. I was with another person, but I'll guess
You were
everything.
part of
Yeah,
the plan to take some items and try to remove them from the store without paying for them?
correct,
All right, the store was open to the public at the time?
correct.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No,
And the property that you took was offered for sale by TJ Maxx?
correct.
And are we doing this on? Was the amount that you took from the store, the total amount, was that in excess of $200?
Or sorry about that. Unbutton it. Yeah. Sorry about that. Sorry, Judge. I'm trying to.
Yeah, I can tell you're not accustomed to wearing a tie either. So.
No, well, I actually don't even like ties or
Yeah, no, I got you.
I've been trying that. Is it, can you see it?
It's just to the side.
You don't mind? No, sir.
You want to straighten his tie too?
I just
No, that's okay.
I just want to be presentable with.
I appreciate the effort.
All right. Township Future Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Cross. Mr. Cross, please state your name for the record.
Carlton Dion Cross.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to the prosecutor on this case. Sounds like a global is in the works here that might involve sobriety court. If we could have an adjournment for 3 or 4 weeks, we can see where we stand.
My first date, March 4th. I'll adjourn the matter March 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. And you're looking to get it into a sobriety court.
That is the global offer.
Okay, all right. On, we'll continue.
Thank you,
sir.
Have a good day.
Courthouse case, people versus Comaria Davis.
Morning, Your Honor. People.
What is that? Township Future Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Davis, who is approaching the podium. Please state your name when you get to the podium.
Right up here.
Thank you, Judge. I have my clock, and I have read the notes in the file. It looks like we are requesting a brief adjournment. There are some videos in this file that Ms. Davis wants to watch before she determines how she wants to proceed, and she will be watching those this morning after court.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
People
Court calls the case, people versus Rick Artuso.
Morning, Your Honor. People.
What do you mean he's not here? Artuso here? Him or counsel. And you haven't heard from Mr. Bridges? Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear, bond 5,000. Give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately. Court calls the case of people versus Ricky Burdett.
Morning, Your Honor. People.
You do not have consequences.
Versus attorney. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your
What's
Honor.
your name?
Ricky Burdett.
Do you know where your attorney is?
I do not. We'd agreed to meet at this time. I do not know where my attorney is. So I'm speaking for myself, I guess.
Well, no, you're not, because they filed a substitution of attorney, which I signed off on, saying that they were going to represent you. So you're going to be represented by counsel. Do you have a phone number for him at all, sir?
I do. It's
All right.
I may have it here. My
Oh,
my phone is in my vehicle.
Oh, okay, I got you. So, we're gonna give a call to his office, find out where he is. So you can have a seat. I'll pass the matter. Okay, I'll call it up in my next block.
Do you mean wait on him to come?
Yes.
What if he does not show like today?
Pardon?
What if he does not show today? Like for hours, you know?
I don't know. I mean,
It was agreed. That was his,
okay.
that's his
Sir,
responsibility
what
to
do you
come.
want me?
I showed
What
up.
do you want me to do? I can't.
I want you
It's
to let me
fine.
speak for myself then.
He has filed an appearance on your behalf. He is supposed to be here. Have a seat. We will contact him to find out why he's not here. Thank you.
You have the,
Thank you. No. The other lucky person is recall the case, People versus Tatiana Tedder. Is she here?
Good morning again, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Carolyn Foster Tucker on behalf of Tatiana Tedder.
Your name?
Tatiana Tedder.
Okay. I had faith that you'd show up.
Yeah.
No, go bring the baby with you. For goodness sakes. Of course gonna cry. When Alan leaves me, I cry.
Sorry about that.
See? Why are you shaking your head?
Because he's just giving me a rough day today, so, yeah.
That sweet little child.
Yes.
I know it's not your fault. All right. I have before me a plea form. She's going to plead to the charge of retail fraud, second degree. Correct?
Correct.
There is also a sentence recommendation or a sentence agreement of the prosecutor's deferred.
That's correct, Your Honor.
That is correct.
All right. Just, what is she?
I'm sorry.
Take a deep breath. The baby's doing nothing.
Yeah, he's just heavy.
He's just heavy?
Yeah, he's heavy.
Okay. She can sit down if she wants.
No, it's okay. He's gonna cry. It's okay. Thank you, though. No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm
Then
positive.
quit complaining.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yeah.
To be sworn?
You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes,
State your name, please.
Tatiana Tedder.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of retail fraud, second degree.
Yes,
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court cost. Fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
yes,
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes,
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No,
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
okay.
You understand that?
Yes,
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
no,
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
no.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yeah.
Of your own free will?
Yes,
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
yes.
June 11, 2025, at the location of 31458 Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What'd you do at TJ Maxx that makes you think that you're guilty?
I took some items. Just speak for me, right? Okay, I took some items. I was with another person, but I'll guess.
You were
everything-
part of
Yeah,
the plan to take some items and try to remove them from the store without paying for them?
correct,
All right, the store was open to the public at the time?
correct.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No,
And the property that you took was offered for sale by TJ Maxx?
correct.
And are we doing this on the price?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was the amount that you took from the store, the total amount, was that in excess of $200?
Your Honor, if I can voir dire her,
Go ahead.
you and your friend both took some items, correct?
Yeah,
And the amount that
came together. Yeah,
total between the two of you was over 200, right?
correct.
All right. Ma'am, I have to advise you that if I accept your plea, if you're between the time of the plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, that the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes, I
Is
do.
counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
Have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge. Defendant is referred to probation for pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing in this matter will be March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond with its conditions will continue. Ma'am, on your way out on the left-hand side, you and the baby need to stop by probation to make an appointment.
Okay, thank you.
All right?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Be nice to that little, how old?
He's one.
He's one.
better be
He's just,
nice to me,
he's
so.
just one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Not
you,
that
Adam.
heavy. Bye. So we. No, that's, we'll call, you're gonna try to call on that one. All right. I'm all set then, that block,
That's 9 a.m. Yes.
and then we'll start the next block. Are you gonna be ready, Feaster?
I think so, Judge.
All right. First thing, recess.
All rise.
She's young, she looks nervous, and today she's standing in court for stealing from a store. The item? Worth $200. Police reports say it was a deliberate theft, not a mistake. The question is, why risk everything for something so small? Was it desperation, bad judgment, or a choice she thought no one would notice? As the court listens, one thing becomes clear. This case is about more than just money.
On her successor to have a plea form, those charges, counts 1 and 3 would be dismissed. Guilty of 2 defendant is agreeing to pay restitution in full. That's counts 4 and 5.
Yes, Your
Upon
Honor.
her successful plea to that charge, those charges,
Raise
counts
your right
1 and
hand.
3
You
would
solemnly
be
swear to affirm the
dismissed.
testimony you're about to give.
Defendant is
Truth and nothing
agreeing
but the
to
truth, so help
pay
you God.
restitution in full.
Elizabeth Raggett?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
Your
is this
Honor.
court's understanding that you are going to plead guilty to 2
Raise your
charges,
right hand.
failure to
You
report
solemnly
an
swear to affirm the
accident.
testimony you're about to give.
Those are misdemeanors,
Truth and nothing
punishable
but
by
the
up to
truth, so help
90
you
days
God.
in jail and a $100
Elizabeth
fine plus
Raggett?
court costs. You understand that?
I
Ma'am,
do.
it is this court's
All right.
understanding that you are going to
Still wish
plead
to plead
guilty to 2
guilty?
charges of failure to the charge of failure to report an accident. Those are misdemeanors, punishable by up to 90 days in jail. To that same charge as contained in count 5. How do you understand that?
I do.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial
Still
of
wish
any
to
kind.
plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
You signed
To
an
the charge
advice
of
of
failure
rights
to
form, is
report
that
an
correct?
accident
Is
I did.
contained in
Any
count 4. How do you
questions
plead? Regarding those rights? To
No,
that
sir.
same charge.
Please
as
look at
contained in count
paragraph
5. How do you?
5 on
Guilty.
that form.
You understand that by
Copy.
pleading guilty, you'll not have a
Those
trial
are
of
your
any
rights which
kind.
are part of a trial. You
You
understand by
signed an
pleading
advice
guilty,
of
you'll be
rights
giving up
form, is
those
that
rights as well
correct?
as all the rights of that.
Any
form.
questions?
You understand you're giving up your right
No,
to
sir.
appeal of rights.
Please look at
Yes, sir.
paragraph. Are you on probation
5
or
on
parole?
that form.
I am
You'll
on
see a
probation.
copy.
Were you on
Those are
probation
your
at the
rights which
time
are
of this
part of a
offense?
trial.
No.
You understand by pleading guilty.
Has
you're
anybody
giving up those
promised you
rights as well as all
anything?
the rights of that form.
Yes, sir.
You
Other
understand
than
you're
what's been
giving up
stated
your right
here
to
today on the
appeal
record
of
to which
rights.
you to plead?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Are you on
Has
probation
anybody
or parole?
threatened you
I
or
am on
coerced you?
probation. No, sir.
Were you on
You're
probation
doing
at
this
the time of this
voluntarily?
offense?
I am.
Has
Of
anybody
your own
promised
free
you
will?
Yes,
anything?
sir.
And because you
Other than what's been
are
stated here
guilty
today
of
on the
these
record to which you
offenses?
to plead?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily
I am.
of your
on
own
the
free
date
will?
of
And
March
because you
27th,
are
2025
guilty of these offenses? At the location of Carpenter Road near Center Valley Drive in Pittsfield
On the
Township,
date
Washington County, State of
of
Michigan.
March
Were you
27th,
operating a motor vehicle?
I was, sir.
At the location of Carpenter Road near Center Valley
And in
Drive
operating
in
that
Pittsfield
motor
Township,
vehicle,
Washington County,
were you
State of
involved in
Michigan.
an accident?
Yes,
Were
sir.
you operating a motor vehicle?
I was, sir.
Were there 2 accidents?
There's multiple, yes. Yes, sir.
All right. And in operating that
You
motor
knew that you were
vehicle,
involved in an
were you
accident?
involved in an
Involving
accident?
one
Yes,
involving
sir.
a Subaru and one involving an F-150? Were there
I
2
did.
accidents?
I saw the first one and the airbags deployed. No, there may be the second, but I did. No,
You
there
knew
were
that you were
multiple.
involved in an
I
accident?
did.
Knowing that you were
Involving
involved,
one
but you
involving a
knew that
I
Subaru
did,
and one
yes.
involving
had struck another
F-150?
vehicle.
I did, sir. I did. I
All right.
saw the first one and the
And in
airbags
doing
deployed.
that,
No, there may
did
be the
you
second, but I
report
did.
that
No, there were
accident to the
multiple.
nearest
All
and
right.
most convenient
Knowing that
police
you were
station?
involved, but you knew that
I
you
Did
did,
you
yes.
stop
Had
at that
struck another
location and
vehicle.
provide
sir. Yes.
information?
I did not, sir.
And
didn't do either
in
one of
doing
those.
No,
that,
sir.
did you
All right.
report that accident to the
Ma'am, if I
nearest and
accept
most
your plea,
convenient police
I did
station?
not, sir.
I do have
Did
to
you
advise you to
stop
commit
at that
misconduct between the
location
time I
and
accept your
provide
plea and the time of
information?
I did
sentencing?
not, sir.
You didn't
Do
that
either one of those.
misconduct
No,
is
sir.
defined under
All right.
Michigan court rules. That
Ma'am, if I
you would
accept
not
your
be entitled to
plea,
withdraw your plea and the court would
I
not
do
be
have to
found by
advise you to
sentence
commit
recommendation or
misconduct between the time I accept
I
your
understand.
plea and the time of
All right.
sentencing.
Counsel, are you
That
aware of any other
misconduct
promises,
is
threats,
defined
or
under
other
Michigan court
inducements
rules
that have led would not be entitled to withdraw your
Under
plea, and the
people?
court would
No, Your
not be
Honor.
bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation.
I
And
understand.
have I complied with court rules? Counsel,
Yes,
are
Your
you aware of any
Yes, Your
other
Honor.
promises, threats, or other court will accept the defendant's that have led guilty to counts 4 and 5,
No, Your Honor.
counts 1, 2, and 3. And have I complied with court? Yes, 1, 2, and 3 are
Yes, sir.
dismissed. Court will accept the defendant's pleas of guilty. Defendant is referred 4 and 5 to probation 1, 2, and 3 for a pre-sentence investigation and report and determination of restitution. Sentencing in this matter will be defendant March 11th, 2000 to probation 9 a.m. bond pre-sentence investigation and report and determination of restitution. Sentencing in this matter will be Kimberly Douglas, March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will be.
Ron Brown, pleading on behalf of Mr. Douglas.
Thank you. Court calls the cases of People versus Kimberly Douglas.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown, pleading on behalf of Mr. Douglas.
Your name, ma'am?
Kimberly Sue Douglas.
Thank you. I have before me 2 plea forms indicating that the defendant is going to plead guilty to 2 charges, 1 in each file. Your name, ma'am? Of retail fraud in the 3rd degree. Thank you. In the case ending in 1095, indicating that the defendant is going to plead guilty to 2 charges, 1 in each file. And in the other matter, 3rd degree, there is no case ending in 1095. Those are added count 2 restitution to count 1 in each case would be dismissed.
That is
And
correct,
in the
Your Honor.
other matter,
Yes, Your Honor.
there is no.
May I
other
have her
dismissed, but
Raise your, raise your right hand.
those are added
solemnly swear to
count
affirm the
2
testimony
that
you're
she's
about to give
pleading
will be
to
the truth,
count
the
1
whole
in
truth,
each
and nothing
case
but the
would
truth,
be
so help you God.
dismissed.
That
I
is
swear
correct, Your Honor.
to God.
State your name, please.
Kimberly
Your
Sue
Honor.
Douglas.
May I have her? Ma'am, it is this court's
Raise your-
understanding you're gonna
raise your
plead
right
2
hand.
counts of retail
You
fraud.
solemnly swear
in
to
the
affirm the
3rd
testimony you're about to
degree.
give will be the truth, the whole truth, and
Yes.
nothing but the truth. so
Okay,
help you
those
God.
are misdemeanors,
I swear
punishable by
to
up to
State
93
your name,
days in
please.
jail,
Kimberly Sue
$500
Douglas.
fine plus court Ma'am, it is this court's understanding
Fine
in each case could be increased of retail fraud property taken in that's greater than $500, that would become the
Yes.
maximum fine. Those are misdemeanors,
Yes.
punishable by up to 93 days in jail. And understanding that, ma'am, do you still wish to plead guilty? The
Yes.
fine in each case could be to the charge of retail fraud taken if that's greater as contained in the case 1, 2, 3
Yes.
dash 1095. And understanding that, ma'am, do you still wish to
Guilty.
plead guilty?
Yes.
To that same charge as
charge
contained
of
in the
retail
other
fraud,
case
3rd
ending in
degree, as
1776.
contained in the
How do you plead? 1, 2, 3
Guilty.
dash 1095. Now you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Correct.
To that same charge as
You signed an
contained in
advice
the
of
other
rights form,
case
is that
ending
correct?
in 1776. Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph
You
5
understand
on
that by
that
pleading
form.
guilty,
Those
you
are
will
your
not have
rights
a
which are
trial
part of a trial. You
Correct.
understand that by pleading, you signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
It's hard
Any question regarding
No, I
any of
got
those
that.
rights?
No.
But please look at
Yes.
paragraph 5 on that form. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading.
Paragraph 5 is right.
It's hard for her to see on the podium.
No, I got
Those
that.
are your rights which are part of a trial.
You
You
have
understand
one.
by
Yes.
pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights of that.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of
Paragraph
rights.
5 is right.
You're giving up your right to appeal of rights. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand
Are
by
you on
pleading guilty, you'll be
probation?
giving up those rights as well
Are
as
you
all the
on
rights of
parole?
that.
No. Yes.
Has anybody
You understand you're
promised
giving
you
up your right
anything
to
other than what's
appeal
been
of
stated
right?
here today to get you to plea?
No.
You're giving up your right
Anybody
to
threaten you
appeal
of
of
right?
right?
No. Yes.
You're doing this
Are you on
voluntarily
probation?
Yes. No.
of your
Are you
own
on
free
parole?
will?
Yes.
Has anybody
Because
promised
you
you
believe that
anything
you are
other than
indeed
what's been
guilty?
stated here today to get you
All
to
right,
plea? Beginning in the
No.
case
Anybody
ending
threaten you
in
of force?
1095. You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes.
because you believe that you are indeed guilty?
Yes.
On the
right,
date beginning in the case ending
May
in
30th, 2023 at the location of
3090 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What did you do at the CVS? On the date
I had
May
some
30th,
Budweiser and some
2023
soup.
at the location
I'm
of
sorry?
3090
Some Budweisers and
Carpenter
some
Road,
soup.
Pittsfield
All
Township,
right, so you got
Washtenaw County,
Budweiser's
State of
and soup,
Michigan.
and you tried to walk out
What
of the
did you
store
do
without
at the
paying for them?
CVS that makes you think that
The
you're
store was
guilty?
open to the public
I
at
had
the
some
time?
Budweiser. and
You didn't
some
have
soup.
anybody's permission
I'm
to take
sorry?
that property.
Some
did you?
Budweisers and some soup. No.
See, all right, and the property that you took, that was property that was offered for sale by CVS? The store was open to the public at the time?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody. On the, in the other matter, on the date of
No.
February twenty-fifth, 2023, at the location of 3825 Carpenter Road,
Yes.
Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. What did you do at the Meyer on the date of
I
February
also had went in and
25th,
got some
2023, at
food,
the location
some
of
dinner, and then
3825
got
Carpenter
some
Road,
liquor.
Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. And you tried to leave the store without paying for them? What did you do at the Meyer that makes you think that you're guilty? All right.
I also had went in
And
and
the store
got
was
some
open to the
food.
public at the time?
There was dinner and then.
You didn't have
got some
anybody's
liquor.
permission to take that property, did you? And you tried to leave the store without paying for them? And that property you took from Myers, that was property that was offered for sale? And the store was open to the public at the time? Between the time of my acceptance of your plea, you didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you? If you commit misconduct, it's defined in the property you took from Myers, that was property
Zoom.
on 5,000.
I did reach out to him by
Give a
phone.
10%
We were
privilege,
not
that
able to
won't
reach
release
him.
you immediately.
I'm not sure why he's not present. I request a show cause.
Court does call the case People versus defendant's failure to appear.
Conrad Silver on behalf of
5,000.
Pittsfield Township.
Give a 10%
Ron Brown appearing on
privilege, that
behalf of
won't release you
Mr.
immediately.
Smith.
Thank you, Judge.
Please state your
Court
name.
does call the case People
Jason
versus
Smith, Your Honor, how are you?
I'm very good. Yourself?
Conrad
okay,
Silver on
sir.
behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment. Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Smith. 26, I'll come see you. Please state your name. You gotta get the
Jason
date.
Smith, Your Honor, how are you?
I'm very good. Yourself?
I'm okay, sir.
2026, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, I'm
Thank you.
requesting an
All right,
adjournment.
Bond. we'll-
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
26.
Court calls the case of the People versus Wilmer Hudson,
You gotta get the date.
February 18th,
Your Honor,
2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
On behalf of
All right,
Mr.
Bond.
Hudson,
Thank
clerk of the
Thank
podium.
you, sir.
State your name when you get here.
Court calls the case of the People
Thank you.
versus
Thank you,
Wilmer
Judge. I just speak to
Hudson.
Mr. Hudson about
Take
this.
your hands out of your pockets, please.
Your Honor,
I just speak to Mr. Hudson about this case on the phone. There are some videos in the file he wants to watch. We can have an adjournment so that we can get that done.
February 18th,
Thank you.
2026, 9
Thank you,
a.m.
Judge.
Bond. Take your hands out of your
Thank you,
pockets,
Judge.
please.
I just speak to Mr. Hudson about this case on the phone. There are some
Court
videos
calls
in
the
the
case
file he
People
wants to watch.
versus
We
Noman
can have an
County.
adjournment so that we can get that done.
February 18th, 2026.
Ron
9
Brown
a.m.
appearing on
Bond.
behalf.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you,
It's
sir.
9 a.m.
Okay,
We'll be for that.
okay.
Court calls the case People
Okay.
versus. Sir, please state your name.
Noman Rahman Khan.
All right.
I'm requesting an adjournment so I can,
We need to get going on this because
yes, Your Honor.
this has been. Sir, please state your name.
Noman
February
Rahman Khan.
18th, 2026.
I'm
9
requesting an
a.m.
adjournment so I
Yes, Your
can,
Thank you.
We need to get going on this because
yes, Your Honor.
this has been. It's the last case of the People versus Joshua Warren, 2026, 9 a.m. Here we go.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. He's not. Court calls the case of the People versus Joshua Warren. Your name?
Joshua William Warren.
Here we go. Did we get a report?
Your Honor, I do believe that we
He's not.
received a, I have this.
Yes, I see it.
Dated January 14th,
Your
our
name?
office received.
Joshua William Warren.
I would stipulate to the entry of that report and that's the defendant, I believe was competent. was fine.
Yes, yes, I see it. Mr. Warren, did you want
January 14th,
to
Our office received, I believe, on the 20th.
review this report?
I would stipulate to
This
the
is a
entry of that
competency
report
report.
and
It
ask
found you
the court by the
competent to
defendant, I
stand
believe was
trial.
competent.
Yes, Your Honor,
Yes,
I've
it's
already reviewed it.
Okay.
I had a
Mr.
question.
Warren, did you want to? Okay, go ahead.
Is there any way I could get
Review
a
this
bond reduction
report.
by chance?
Well, I'm not gonna deal with the bond reduction right now. I've got to deal with this part of it.
Okay, yes, Your
Do you
Honor,
have
I've
any
already
objection
reviewed
to
it.
what's contained in the
I had a
report?
question.
No.
Okay, and you don't mind the
Is
court
there any way I
considering
could get
that
a
in the
bond
determination of
reduction by
competency?
chance?
No, Your
Well,
Honor.
I'm not gonna deal with the bond reduction right now. I've got to deal with court this would part. find it.
Okay,
Do
thank
you
you.
have any objection to what's contained in the report? Specifically, the court would find Okay, it.
Oh,
And you don't mind the court considering that in the determination of competency? And
No,
does
Your Honor.
understand the nature and object of the proceedings against him, therefore the defendant is deemed competent. Trial. Specifically, the court would find that the defendant can rationally assist in his defense. And since he does not have counsel in this case, and does understand the nature and object of the proceedings against him, therefore the
I
defendant
believe
is there one
we've
incompetent.
already done that. But if it's not there, I'm certainly.
Just a second, and since he does not have counsel in this case, so I will, if you could please.
I'm currently trying to retain a lawyer.
I believe.
Is there one in there?
We've already done
Okay.
that. But if it's not there, I'm certainly.
Just a second. So, Mr. Warren, you say you're trying to retain one, so I will.
I have a public
Currently,
defender
trying to
and
retain a
also
lawyer.
Gino for my felony.
I'm sorry, say again.
I said I have a public defender at the moment. I don't know why she's
So-
not present.
Mr. Warren, you say, when you say you have a public defender,
Yes.
is that on your
I have
other
a public
cases?
defender, Hannah. That's on and also she was here at the last hearing.
I'm sorry, say again.
I said I have a public defender at the moment. I don't know why she is not present.
Okay, when you say you have a public defender, is that Oh, on your okay. other cases?
So
you were
on
represented by
this one.
Hannah
She was here at the
Apple
last hearing. Yes, Your Honor.
at
Hannah.
another proceeding. Was that before me, though?
No, yes.
Yeah, I think that was a PCC. So here's the problem. Okay. On this case, you don't have. You were represented by Hannah Apple. Did you want, did you want me to assign the public defender to represent you on this?
Yes, I would like.
Oh, yeah,
legal
I think that was a
representation for now.
PCC. All right, thank you. So here's the problem.
Then
On
this
this
is a
case,
public
you don't
defender case.
have an attorney assigned.
On
to you.
behalf of Mr.
Did you
Warren,
want, hang on.
Your Honor,
Did you
now
want me
that
to
he's been
assign the
found
public
competent, will you
defender to
set another
represent you on
pretrial
this?
date?
Yes, I would
I
like
will.
legal representation
Earliest
for
date
now.
possible. He-
I'll adjourn it to February.
And this is a
Earliest date
public
is February
defender
18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, now that he's been
As to
found
bond, Your
competent,
Honor?
will you set another pretrial date?
Yeah, I will.
Earliest date.
What's his
possible.
other? I'll adjourn it to February.
Earliest
Earliest date is February 18th, 2026, 9
I don't see
a.m.
10%. I would also be as a parole.
As to bond, Your Honor.
Yeah, what's his other bond? So
Your Honor, looking at.
here's what I'm gonna do, Mr. Warren, let me explain why. I'm gonna keep your bond where it is so that you're getting credit on this case. Because even if I change it, you're not gonna go anywhere. Because you've got a bond on. Here's what I'm gonna do, Mr. Warren, let me explain.
Your Honor,
why.
with the
I'm
parole
gonna
hold, I
keep your
believe
bond
that I
where
do
it
not
is
get
so
any
that you're
time
getting credit
accredited
on
towards
this case.
anything because I have
Because
a
even if I
parole hold.
change it, you're not gonna. Theoretically, yeah. Because you've got a bond on the other case. Wouldn't
Your
matter.
Honor,
Well,
with
if
the
I set a
parole hold,
PR,
I
then
believe
you're
that
still
I
not
do
gonna
get
go
any
anywhere.
time
So it doesn't.
accredited towards anything because I have a parole. I
Well,
believe my agent would lift my
theoretically,
hold if I was
yeah.
able to
I mean, you're
postpone.
right, but. Well, why don't I?
wouldn't matter
If you were
if I
able to
set a
postpone.
PR, then
So
you're still not
here's
gonna
what
go
I'll
anywhere.
do.
So it doesn't.
I will, I'm not gonna do anything today.
I believe
I'll
my agent
consider
would lift my
that
hold if I was able
if,
to
once the
postpone.
PD checks and if
Well,
that's
why don't
true,
if you were
then
able
I'll
to
consider
postpone.
reducing it.
So
How about that?
here's what I'll
Okay,
do.
is the 18th
I will
pretrial?
I'm not
Okay.
gonna
It's
do
a
anything
pretrial.
today. I'll
Yes.
consider
Should I
that
come for immediate
if,
sentencing?
once the PD checks and
Get
if
sentenced?
that's
Well, it
true,
depends on if there's a
then I'll
plea.
consider
I didn't-
reducing
You
it.
haven't
How about
even,
that? Mr.
Okay,
Warren, so that you
is the
know,
18th
you
pretrial?
haven't even been found
it's a
guilty.
pretrial.
Yeah, so
Should
I
I
can't
come
sentence
for
you
immediate
because
sentencing?
I have, there's no conviction.
sentenced?
Well, it
anything.
depends on if there's a
So,
plea.
Mr. Warren,
You
hang
haven't
on.
even.
Here's what I want you to do.
So that you know.
All right, you haven't even been
gonna
found
adjourn it out
guilty.
2 weeks.
I want you to
So
talk to your
I
attorney.
can't sentence you
We'll come
because
back and then
I
we'll
have
figure out
your-
what we do at
There's
that
no
time.
conviction. of-
And I may consider, so, Mr. Warren, hang on. Here's what I want you to do. I may consider immediate. I'm gonna adjourn it out 2 weeks. We got restitution. Talk to your attorney. We'll come back and then we'll figure out what we do at that time. I don't know. And I may consider,
Agent Michael Crowell.
I may consider immediate sentencing. The problem is we've got restitution. on it.
office?
It's
That may
at the
be
CMH
applicable in
building
this case, I don't
downtown
know.
Ypsilanti on Towner.
Got it.
Agent Michael
That's where I
Crowell. Report, but it's with Washington County Parole.
Yes.
No, would
And
you have his number?
Is it
No.
airport? Which,
I'll get it.
which,
Can you get, it's
Give me a
copy
copy
at
of
the
it also?
CMH building
Yes.
downtown
Not right now.
Ypsilanti on Towner.
All right, Mr. Warren?
Thank you.
All right,
That's
great.
where I report.
This
Thank
is,
you, Judge Washington
this is a lot
County
better
Parole.
than the last time,
Yes.
right?
And you have.
Yes,
his
thank you.
number?
Yeah, all right.
Thank you, Honorable Judge. Can you
All right.
give me a
You take
copy of
care.
it also?
Yes.
Have a great day.
You too. All right, Mr. Warren?
Thank you.
All right,
goes the
great.
case,
people versus
This is,
Shannon
this is a lot better than the last time, right?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, all right,
Thank you, Honorable
Kenneth
Judge.
Kiesling, Your Honor.
You take
I
care.
spoke to her last night.
Have a great day.
You too.
I'm asking for adjournment for her to
Court goes the case,
reconsider.
people versus Shannon and
sobriety.
Kiesling.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay.
To reconsider it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna-
Kenneth
yeah.
Kiesling, Your Honor. I
Okay, let
spoke
me
to
ask
her
this.
last night.
Is she
I'm asking
going
for
to try to
adjournment for
go
her to
through that
reconsider,
process?
Yes, sobriety.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
And I believe she's already been
To
referred to
reconsider it?
meeting
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
Mr. Ted Heaton.
Okay, let me ask this.
And,
When is that? Is she
Well, she had.
going to try to go
had,
through
and
that process?
At first, it wasn't a fit for her, but after
I
we
believe
talked last
she's already
night,
been referred.
she's
She
now meeting with Mr.
Gonna find a way to
Ted
make
Heaton.
it work.
Yeah.
And.
Right.
When is that supposed to take?
Well, she had.
I don't know. I
She
need to
had,
know.
and at first, it wasn't a fit.
Will the
for her,
18th be
but
enough time
after
for her
we
to
talked
figure that
last
out?
night, She's
Is
now
The 18th.
We'll have to find out. I'm not sure when the next meeting
Not sure
is.
what that means. I don't know.
And we would adjourn so that
Will the 18th be enough
between
time
now
for
and
her
the
to
next
figure that
meeting
out? It's every other.
it's every
The
other Thursday,
18th.
but I
We'll have
can't
to
remember
find
if it
out.
was last week or
I'm
this
not sure when the
Thursday.
next
Looking at
meeting,
Judge Professor's calendar, I'm not seeing.
and
This week
we
it
would
looks
adjourn so that
like
between now and
there's
the next
not
meeting.
one
Tuesdays,
next
it's
week
every
from what I
other-
can
It's
tell.
every
There's
other Thursday, but I can't remember if it
Okay,
was
so what
last week or
I'll just
this
go to March
Thursday.
I'm
4th,
looking at Judge Professor's calendar, I'm not seeing.
March
2026,
This week
9
it
a.m.
looks like.
Thank you.
All right.
There's not one next week from what I can tell.
So March 4th, that time to meet. with
Okay, so what
Mr. Heath.
I'll just go to March
There is
4th,
one on the 12th, I don't know the 18th.
March.
2026. Oh, there is one on the 12th?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, hold on. Then I'll adjourn it to the 18th.
So March 4th, that one on the 12th. Mr. You want to go to the one on the 12th? I'll send Mr. Heath an email.
Okay.
Oh, there
No,
is one on
I've
the
already
12th?
I've already done
Hold
and
on.
paid $100 to do
Then
one
I'll
of
adjourn
these.
it to the 18th.
But I
So
think you need to
there's
see him
one
again
on the
because
12th.
he was under the impression. You want to go to the one on the 12th? I'll send Mr. Heath.
Oh, no,
an
he
email.
wasn't. Okay.
Okay.
This was later. This was with my, I've already done and
what's her
paid
name?
$100 to do one of these.
I'm the new guy. But I think you need to see him
Don't
again
beat up the new
because
guy.
he was under the
No.
impression.
218.
Oh, no, he wasn't.
All right.
This was
Okay.
later.
18th,
This was
okay,
with
Ms.
my lawyer. What's her
Go
name?
at the-
Perini.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
talk to
help me
Heaton.
figure
I'm
it
the
out,
new
okay.
guy. I'll talk to
I can
Heaton.
hear you better today. I
beat up
got
the
new
new guy.
hearing aids. No.
218.
Thank you.
Yep,
The
I'll set that.
18th, okay,
And you'll
Ms.
get a hold of me?
Yes, when I talk to
Go ahead.
Mr. Heaton.
Yeah,
I'll
just
talk
I
help
know.
me figure it out.
I
I
got
can
you.
hear you better today. I got new hearing aids.
Yeah.
Court
Thank
calls
you.
case
Yep,
people
I'll
versus
set that.
Austin
And you'll
Knox.
get a hold of me?
Yes, when I talk to Mr.
How much is on that? I got you.
For the judge, before show, please to assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Knox, who's approaching the podium. Please take the record.
Court calls case people
How are you
versus
doing, Your
Austin Knox.
I'm doing well,
When
thank
you're on
you.
reading to the people.
Thank you, Judge. I believe we're
much
gonna
is
need
on
an
there?
an adjournment on Mr. Knox's file. He For the also judge, wants before show, to please to make assistant a public bond defender on behalf request, of Mr. Judge. Knox, who's approaching the
Adjourn
podium.
the matter to March 4th, 2026, 9
How are you
a.m.
doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing well, thank
My
you.
How
understanding.
many?
Thank you, Judge. I believe we're gonna need an
It's in the
adjournment on Mr. Knox's file. He also wants me to make a bond request, Judge. Okay.
Adjourn the matter to
Um,
March 4th,
I just spoke with
2026,
Mr. Knox
9
briefly,
a.m.
got to know him a little bit. Apparently, he is
How many?
testing through this court through community
It was in the
corrections.
afternoon.
Apparently, he's doing alcohol and drug testing there. The case that he has, okay, he's testing.
He,
I
what?
just spoke with Mr. Knox briefly, got to know him a little bit. Testing, but apparently he is on strain on his
through this court
employment.
through community
He
corrections.
indicates that he works
Apparently,
in Taylor for
he's
a
doing alcohol and drug
rental car
testing
place as
there.
a mechanic. The case that he has doing his testing.
He,
Come in
what?
and test. He was hoping maybe the frequency could be changed.
How often does he
Employment.
test?
He
Once
indicates
a
that he
week.
works in
Is it
Taylor
once a
for
week?
a
Yeah, even with once a
rental
week,
car
my
place as a
boss is getting
mechanic.
upset with me about it.
Leave work early.
They expect
Come
me
in
to
and
be there
test.
from 6
He
to
was hoping
6
maybe
every
the
day.
frequency could be
My gosh.
changed.
How often does he test?
Once a week.
Is it once a week?
Yeah, even with once a week, my boss is getting upset with me about it. They expect me to be there from 6 to 6 every day.
My gosh. Do is I'll reduce it, testing to 1 time per month.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Do I need to go to community corrections now?
But what I will do is I'll reduce it.
Or-
Are you
testing to
scheduled?
why you feel like you're doing.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. All right.
No.
Well,
my
Thank you
number
very
is
much,
full
Judge.
today.
was it? Yeah, I'd go over there and
Thank you.
get tested. If they
Do
called
I
it
need to go to
today, go over
community
and test
corrections now?
today.
Talk to my lady or figure
Are you
out
scheduled?
Why you
once
feel
a
like
month
you're
thing.
Yeah, no, I'm kidding. Further that way.
Well, my number is
Talk to
full
her.
today.
Tell
Was
her
it?
that.
Yeah,
that
I'd go
Simpson
over there and get
reduced you to
tested.
once a
If they
month.
called
They'll
it today,
they'll
go
get a
over
new
and
test
order over
today.
Talk to my
Sometime
lady,
today with
figure
that on
out
it.
the
All right.
once a
All right,
month
but if
thing.
you test today, then you'll be good further that way.
All right, thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome. Talk to her, tell her
Thank you,
that
Judge.
that Simpson.
Court calls
reduced
case
you to
people
once a
versus
month.
Elizabeth
They'll
Loman.
get a new order over there.
Okay.
sometime
Brown
today
appearing on
with that
behalf
on
of
it.
Ms. Loman.
All right.
She's
All
in
right, but if
Florida.
you
Is
test
she on our
today, then
Zoom?
you'll be good for a while.
All right, thank
All
you.
right, Loman.
Yeah.
Oh, there she
Thank you,
is.
Judge.
All right, state your
Court
name,
calls case
please.
people versus Elizabeth Loman.
When you're on reading.
All right,
Brown
Your Honor,
appearing
I'm
on
requesting
behalf
an
of Ms.
adjournment.
Loman. She's
Some
in
more
Florida. Is she
discovery
on our
action.
Zoom? Obtain.
I'll adjourn it to March 4th,
Oh,
2026. All right, state your name, please. Bond, continue.
Elizabeth Woman.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Some more discovery I have
Thank
to
you.
obtain.
court calls
I'll
case
adjourn it
people
to March
versus
4th.
Carlos
Mack, 2026, 9 a.m.
Ron Brown appearing on
Bond,
behalf of
continue.
Mr. Mack. Mack.
Carlos Mack.
Oh, there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor, there was an
Thank you.
offer tendered by the
Court calls case People
prosecution,
versus
but
Carlos
we still have
Mack.
some more homework on
Your Honor,
the case. I'm
Raymond.
requesting a brief
Ron Brown
adjournment.
appearing
He
on
has a
behalf of
sentencing
Mr.
next
Mack.
week in front of you on an OWVI. I
Carlos
believe.
Mack. Oh, there he is.
Your Honor, there was an offer
February
tendered by the
18th, 2026,
prosecution,
9
but
a.m.
we still have some more homework on the case. I'm requesting a brief adjournment. He has a sentencing next week. in
Court
front
calls
of you
case People versus
on an
Elijah
OWVI,
Juan
I believe.
Matthews.
Your Honor, Raymond.
February 18th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Matthews.
Not-
Hopefully he is
Court
present.
calls case
Elijah
People
Juan
versus
Matthews.
Elijah Juan
He's not in.
Matthews.
Your Honor, Raymond.
All right, well, Judge, I did speak to Mr. Matthews yesterday. He was gonna ask me to request an adjournment to review the video. I don't know why he's not present. I will request a show cause. Hopefully he is
Bench
present.
warrant,
Elijah Juan
5,000.
Matthews.
He's not in. That warrant will issue.
All right,
immediately.
well, Judge, I did speak to Mr. Matthews
you, Judge.
yesterday.
Thank
He
you.
was gonna ask me to request an adjournment to
Court
review the
calls
video.
case of the
I
People
don't know why he's
versus
not
Chauncey
present. I will
Milligan.
request a show cause or adjournment.
Bench
Brown
warrant,
appearing on behalf of
5,000,
Chauncey
10%.
I believe he's
That
on
warrant will
Zoom.
issue immediately.
Thank you, Judge.
Chauncey? There he is. Okay. Court calls case of the People versus Chauncey Milligan. All right.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Chauncey Milligan. I believe
What
he's
about
requesting an
Zoom?
adjournment. There's an offer in the case. I haven't been able
Chauncey?
to
There he
relay
is.
it to him.
Okay, got it. We got it. He's motor. All right, Chauncey, I'm gonna adjourn you out to March 4th. All right. 2026, 9 a.m.
Requesting an
Okay.
adjournment. There's an offer in the
Okay.
case. I haven't been able to
All right.
relay
You
it
take
to him.
care. Got it.
You too.
All right, Chauncey, I'm gonna adjourn you out to March 4th. Case People versus Jessica,
All right.
26, 9 a.m. Okay?
Judge, Torshio Feast,
Okay.
Assistant Public Defender on behalf of
All
Ms.
right.
Mitchell, who's
You
approaching the
take
podium.
care.
You
When you
too.
arrive, please state your name for the record.
Court calls case People versus Jessica.
Thank
Jessica
you, Judge. I
Mitchell.
believe Ms. Mitchell is requesting an adjournment. She's Judge, hoping I can get an Torshio offer Feast, from Public Defender on Mr. behalf of Cook Ms. that might keep Mitchell, the record who's approaching the clean. podium. So
That
when you
what?
arrive,
Keep the
please
record
state your name for the
She's
record.
been clean for the last 7 years, Judge, so she
What?
wants,
Thank you.
she has
Thank
had
you,
no
Judge. I
problem for the
believe
last
Ms.
7
Mitchell
years.
is
So she's
requesting
7
an
years.
adjournment.
Yes,
She's
Judge.
hoping I can get an offer
So
from
she's trying
Mr.
to
Cook that might keep
maintain
the record
a
clean.
clean track record.
7 years?
That might
Keep the
be
record
Judge.
clean.
She's been clean for the last 7 years, Judge, so she wants,
What?
she has
I
had
didn't
no
hear
problem
that.
for the last 7 years. So she's
7 years, eh?
Yes, Judge.
No.
So she's trying to
So
maintain
Proud of you too,
a
Judge.
clean
can
track record.
happen. Good 7 years?
7 years, Judge. I'm gonna
I don't
negotiate
know.
on her behalf, Judge. Look at you.
Right? I'll adjourn it to March
Proud of you
4th,
too, Judge.
two 2026, 9 a.m. All right, thank you, man.
I'm gonna negotiate on her behalf, Judge.
Court does call the case, People versus
March
Whitney
4th.
Mitchell, 2026.
Ready,
9
Judge.
a.m.
Torshio Feast,
All right,
Assistant Public
thank you,
Defender,
man.
appearing on behalf of Ms. Whitney Mitchell.
Mitchell's in Zoom. Court does call the case, People
Miss
versus
Mitchell?
Whitney Mitchell.
Yes.
All right, I
Ready,
need a
Judge.
camera,
Torshio
please.
Feast, Assistant Public
Okay,
Defender,
I'm
appearing on
trying to-
behalf of Ms.
Okay,
Mitchell.
sorry.
There you go. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to Ms. Mitchell yesterday.
You're
but-
not driving, right?
No, I'm parked outside of my job.
All right, I need a camera, please.
I just went to the car.
Okay.
So couldn't hear me. Okay, sorry.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, okay. What are we doing?
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to Ms. Mitchell yesterday.
You're not
Mitchell
driving,
has already
right?
done a private
No, I'm
assessment,
parked outside of my
but she has
job
not been able to have those
waiting to
records
clock in.
turned over
I
yet
just
to
went to the
the
car, so
Okay.
they couldn't hear
appropriate
me.
people. So she's willing
Okay,
to do
gotcha.
a assessment with
Okay.
Statman or one of the other people after Friday when she gets her
has already
paycheck.
done a private
So she's requesting an
assessment,
adjournment so she
but
can
she
do a
has
new
not been able to have those
assessment.
records turned over yet
She'll
to
do that
the,
after she's paid appropriate people. So she's willing to do a assessment with Statman
Okay, we need to
or
get
one of the
this thing
other people
moving.
after Friday when she gets her paycheck. So she's requesting an adjournment so
And
she can do a
then
new
what's the
assessment.
hope with the
She'll
assessment? I
do that
guess.
after she's paid. Yes.
Yeah, I believe we're working on getting her
We need to get this thing moving. Okay,
Yes,
gotcha.
Judge. That's what the notes indicate, Judge, yes.
And then, so I'll
What's the
adjourn this
hope
out
with
then
the
to March
assessment?
4th,
Thank you, Judge.
2026, 9 a.m.
I believe we're
You
working
gotta
on
get
getting
that
her
done, Miss Mitchell, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
gotcha.
I'll go. I'll
That's what the notes
set
indicate,
it
Judge,
up.
yes.
All right, so I'll
Thank
adjourn
you.
this out then
Thank
to March
you.
4th. Court
Thank
calls
you,
case
Judge.
2026,
John
9
Neary.
a.m.
You gotta get that done, Miss Mitchell, okay?
Oh, there he
Okay,
is.
I'll go. I'll set it up.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf
All
of
right,
Mr.
thank you.
Neary.
Thank you.
Your name, sir? Court calls
John
case
Neary.
People versus
How you
John
doing?
Neary.
Yes, sir. I mean, good morning. How you doing? How you doing, Alan?
Oh, there he is. All right, what are we doing?
517
Requesting adjournment here, Mr. Neary.
620.
620.
Your name, sir?
John Neary.
0215.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I
Good
didn't
morning. How you
have the
doing?
numbers.
How you doing, Alan?
They'll call you.
They called me yesterday.
I'll adjourn it out. What are we
to
doing? March 4th,
March requesting adjournment.
2026, 9 a.m. All right, the bond will continue.
0215. Yeah, I didn't have.
Hell of a turn for the worse. They
They'll call you.
2 weeks ago.
I'll adjourn it out
The wound
to March
won't hold
4th,
like that.
March
They,
4th.
she's up at U of M now.
2026,
She's
9
like do
a.m.
another
All
surgery.
right, his bond will
I have to
continue.
be like a third
Sir,
one.
how's your family? All right.
So it's a pad. Hell of a turn.
I got
Okay.
you. You know you're still in there, pardon?
Yes, sir. I do. Won't hold or not like
Take
that.
care.
She's up at U of M now. She's like do another
I
surgery.
didn't say nothing.
Be like a third one.
All right.
So it's a pad. It's not.
I got
Okay.
you. Know you're still in.
Court
calls the case,
Yes,
people
sir.
versus Russell Norville. Take care.
You're in agreement to go to the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf.
I didn't say nothing with him like that.
Sir, state your name.
Russell Norvell.
Thank you, sir.
Court calls the case,
I'm
people versus
requesting
Russell
adjournment. I'm
Norville.
still trying to get the other video. Ron Brown appearing on behalf. I talked to him.
There's
and told
another
him.
video.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, state your name. Adjourn this to
Russell
March
Norvell.
4th, 2026, 9
I'm
a.m.
requesting adjournment. I'm still trying to
All right.
get the
Thank
other
you, sir.
video.
Thank you,
Show
sir.
him what I had.
There's,
I talked to him.
there's
and told him.
another video.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's the recall. for
Adjourn this to
Mr.
March
Bird.
4th.
Okay.
His 2026, 9 a.m. bond. An hour?
Thank you.
Well, but
All
that
right.
was.
Thank you,
That was
sir.
a while back. Thank you, sir.
All right. Sir, your attorney's on his way down.
That's the recall for Mr. Bird.
Thank you. Court's in recess.
All rise.
An hour.
The judge looks at the facts and makes it clear. Stealing is stealing, no matter the amount. That $200 decision now comes with a permanent consequence, a record, a warning, and a moment she'll never forget. This isn't just about what was taken from a store. It's about what one bad choice can take from your future. One mistake, one case, and a lesson learned the hard way.